Before installing the GPU, make sure you remove the protective film first. I didn't do this the first time, so I had to remove the GPU and remove the protective film because it gets in the way by the case. Sticks out a little bit. Oh boy. I'm using a 3-monitor setup, and one of the monitors are ancient, and I had to get a DP to VGA adapter. I did a lot of research before settling on Mac Mini 2020, which is basically the same model as the 2018. I looked at my use cases, and I find myself usually working on my desktop for any kind of video or photo editing, so I thought that Mac Mini would be best for my use cases. Also, I think the CPU is good enough to last me a while, maybe 5 years. And the only thing I need to upgrade, if I need to upgrade, would be the GPU, which I can easily exchange in the case. And this will be replacing my 4th gen i7 PC, which is running Windows 10. Please.
Kanan, What's your package? What are you doing? Are you working on something?
Yes.
What are you doing?
I'm installing RAM.
You're showing well so it works.
Yes.
Is this for your wheel? Is this for your wheel? Is it for that?
It's broken, Leo.
This knife is broken.
Scissors. You just broke it.
Oh. Can you buy another one? Can you buy the other one? Why do you need those screws? Is it for that fan?
Hold on, Leo.
I'm going to get the black thing out.
Nope, pushing it in.
So it doesn't break. Is it your fan? Or the bike fan? Or is it for the smell coming out? Why not you can finish? I want to work out. Two questions. Are you pushing it in?
Mm-hmm.
Are you pushing everything in? Is that the
So I'm setting up for external GPU on one side, and then for the other side, I'll be running it with internal graphics. So for AMD RX 5700 XT, it took about 3 minutes and 13 seconds for it to finish rendering, and temperature was about 5 to 10 degrees cooler. And with the Intel 630, it took a minute longer at 4 minutes and 12 seconds to render. So here are my final thoughts. 1. Is eGPU worth it? No. I spent $700 to save, 1 minute of rendering time? But I could be doing something wrong. But for now, no, it's not worth it. It draws more power, it costs a lot of money, and the time saving is not significant. Is Final Cut Pro X easy to learn? Yes, I think so. It's intuitive. I'm coming from Vegas. Yeah, Vegas Pro. And it's been easy transitioning to Final Cut Pro X from Vegas Pro, which is entry-level video editor, to the Final Cut Pro X, which I consider to be a pro consumer product. Is it easy to switch from PC to Mac? Yes, but there is Microsoft Office that I have license for, and I use Parallels to run that. So I'm running Microsoft Office in a Windows environment, not a Mac environment. What will I use most often? I'll probably use the Mac Mini without the eGPU for power savings. And I'll probably use the eGPU for more intensive editing. Is it easy to install RAM on Mac Mini 2020? It's not the easiest thing, but it's totally doable. It just takes a little bit of time and effort to get it done. But I think it's totally worth it rather than spending a lot more to buy it with it built in.